We are looking for the hydrogen ion concentrations. All right, so that's what we're looking for. All right, and we're given pH. pH is equal to the negative, P is means negative log. pH is the negative log of the H plus concentration. All right, so we want to isolate this here. All right, so we got to get rid of this negative log. We can get rid of the negative log by taking the anti-log. Here is base 10, so 10 raised to that. We'll get rid of that. And 10 raised to that. Won't get rid of that, so we'll have to do that. Let's bring this negative over to the other side so we can isolate H plus. What we'll end up getting is H plus is equal to 10 to the negative pH. We don't need a calculator for part A actually, because it's a whole number. So remember, the digits to the left of the decimal of a pH value is controlled by the exponent. Right, and the decimals to the right is controlled by the coefficient. So this one's simply going to be 1.0 times 10 to the negative 4. The unit is molar, moles per liter, and that's our answer to part A. All right, let's move on to part B. Right, now we're going to need a calculator for that. So punch in your calculator, 10 to the negative 11.55. Let's see what we get. It'll be 2.8 times 10 to the negative 12. All right, there's our answer to part B.